Hi guys, myself M. Chandrapratap Reddy, studying in Srinivas Ramanujan Institute of Technology from the Department of Electronic and Communication Engineering. Today we are discussing about official letter writing. Introduction to official letter writing. Effective communication is essential in the professional world and official letters plays a crucial role in conveying important information, making requests or responding to formal inquiries. This presentation will guide to the fundamental of crafting impactful and professional official letters. Purpose of importance of official letters. Official letters serve as formal means of communication in professional and organizational context. They hold significant importance in establishing a professional tone, conveying important information, and maintaining proper documentation. These letters provide a clear, documented record of transactions, requests, and agreements, ensuring transparency and accountability within an organization. Types of official letters: inquiry letters, complaint letters, recommendation letters, resignation letters, adjustment letters. First one, inquiry letters. These letters are used to gather information and seek clarification or for specific details from an organization or individual. Complaint letters. When there is a problem or issue that needs to be addressed, complaint letters provide a formal and documented channel for voicing concerns. Third one, recommendation letters. These letters endorse our individual qualification, skills or character, often in support of a job application or academic admission. Resignation letters. When an employee decides to leave a company, a resignation letter is used to formally notify the employer for the departure and any relevant details. Fifth one, adjustment letters. These letters are used to request changes or modification to existing agreements, contracts, or arrangement between parties. Structure and formal of official letters. Heading clearly states the purpose of the letter. Recipient information. Address the letter to the appropriate person or department. Body. Organize information in a clear, concise manner. Closing. Ending with proportional sign off and your signature. Official letters are follow a standard structure to ensure clarity and professionalism. The heading should be clearly to the purpose of the recipient. Information should be properly formatted. The body should be organized logically in the should close with a sign off and signature. This is the example of official writing letter. These are main points in official letter writing. Sender's address, date, subject, recipient name, purpose of letter of the writing, explanation and details, conclusion, expectations, signature, additional contact info. Tone and language official letters. The tone and language used in official letters should convey professionalism, respect, and clarity. Avoid casual or over informational language and focus on being polite and to the point. Use formal vocabulary and proper grammar to maintain a serious business like tone throughout the letter. Steer clear of personal opinions, emotions, or subject language. Instead, rely on object fact factual statement that communicate the key points effectively. Adopt a respectful and differential tone when addressing the recipient using appropriate titles and hancifiers as needed. Ensure the language is clear, concise, and easy to understand. Organize your thoughts logically and use transition words to guide the reader throughout the letter. Proceed carefully to eliminate any spelling or grammatical errors that could be undermine the professional image you are aiming to convey. Addressing the recipient properly. Use the appropriate titles. Address the recipient using the appropriate titles such as Mr. or Mrs. or Miss or Doctor or other suffice, followed by their full names. This shows respect and professionalism. Formal salutation. Begin the letter with a formal salutation such as Dear to set the appropriate tone for the communication. Identification of the correct person. Ensure you are addressing the letter right individual or department within organization. Double check the spelling of the recipient name and their correct job title. Research the organization. Familiarize yourself with the recipient organization and use the correct company name address in the header of the letter. Crafting of the body of the letter. The body of an official letter serves the core of the communication where you are present the information, requests or details. Organize the body in a clear, logical manner with each paragraph focusing on a specific point or topic. Begin the body with an introducing paragraph that sets the context and clearly states the purpose of the letter. Follow this with supporting paragraph that provide the relevant facts, data, or explanation to back up your main points. Use the transition words like in address or moreover to guide the reader through the letter and ensure a smooth flow of information can help the recipient understand the relation between your ideas. Closing the sign of the letter. Choose an appropriate closing. Select closing such as sincerely respected sir, politely concluded the letter. Include your full name. Type your full name including any appropriate titles below the closing. Formally sign the letter. Add a handwritten signature. If possible, include a handwritten signature above your typed name to add a personal touch. Proofreading and editing. Careful review. Thoroughly proofreading the letter to catch any spelling, grammar, or punctuation errors that could undermine the professional tone. Fact checking. Verify that all names, titles, dates, and other details are accurate and up to date to ensure the predictability of the communication. Logical flow. Access the overall the structure and organization of the letter, making adjustment to ensure a clear and coherent flow of information. Final polish. Conduct a final review to refine the language, tone, and formatting, ensuring the letter is polished and conveys the intended message effectively. Best practices and tips of the effective official letter writing. Through planning, careful plan the structure, content, and purpose of the letter to ensure it is concise, coherent, and effectively communicate the desired message. Polished tone. Maintain a formal, respectful, and professional tone throughout the letter, avoiding casual language or appropriate personal remarks, meticulous editing, proofread thoroughly checking for grammar, spelling, and formatting errors to present a polished final document. Through research, gather relevant information, facts, and supporting details to strengthen the credibility and preservations of the letter. Thank you.